Amster, your best immigration partner. Dream to fly? Step to Amster.
Hello everyone, this is Smita and I'm one of the expert language tutors at Dlschool. So today in this session, I'm gonna give a clarification of one of the biggest misconception in your writing part, especially the cue card session. Okay. So many a times we hear students, we meet students who have come from a lot of different, other training centers. They come to us after their repeated failures in IELTS, and they come to us, and that is how we know the different practices, or the popular misconceptions, I would say, which pertains with the cue card session. So many a times we see students, they have this total misunderstanding that you will, whenever you're getting a cue card session, you will be having 2 or 3 prompts in that. So they believe that you have to complete all these prompts in order to get a good score. See, task achievement is not anywhere mentioned in your scoring criteria in the IELTS exam. Okay. See, for getting a proper score or for getting a proper band score in your IELTS, it is very, very essential to know what all are the things you are being graded for. Okay, so if you know a proper knowledge of them, then IELTS is a very, very easy thing. You just have to concentrate on all the criteria and then you'll have to build up that. Okay, so many a times we see students that, whenever after they completed an exam, they will be telling, oh, I missed out the last prompt. They get very stressed and it would drastically affect their performance in the follow-up sections. So I would like to make it very, very clear that task achievement is not a criteria in the speaking schedule. Okay, speaking, so these are the 4 criteria. Nowhere there comes the task achievement. Okay, so always understand that, see, the prompts are actually given in order to help you build up something. Okay, you might be given a cue card and any random topic and you don't cover the things in that. Okay, you just have to speak like in and around the topic for 2 minutes. That's all being tested. It's the fluency of your language being tested. It is not like a question answer session where you are supposed to give answers to a particular question being asked. Okay, but this is applicable to the part 1 and part 3 section, but part 2 absolutely no problem. We see a lot of students like that, whenever they miss out a certain point in the cue card, they just spoil it for the next follow-up sessions too. So don't ever think that. Just, in the cue card session, all you have to concentrate is how you can speak for 2 minutes. That's the only thing that you need to consider. How you can speak for 2 minutes by having a proper fluency, by adhering to strict grammar, by having a very good pronunciation, and by sticking out, a lot of good vocabularies. Okay, so always keep this in mind. That's it. No more misconceptions about IELTS speaking cue card. That's it. I hope this video was useful and informative. And a few things, so please do like and share this video and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting more notifications from us. Thank you.
Amster, your best immigration partner. Dream to fly? Step to Amster.